you guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you guys my room tour. If you know me, if you've been watching me for a little bit of time, you know that I love interior design. My friends and I just moved into our first college house a couple weeks ago, and it has finally come together. I will be doing a full house tour very shortly. We still need like a few things, and like the walls are green and like we kept the color, so we're just kind of like working with color schemes and all of that. I have been wanting to film this video for so long. I have some other really exciting news with other companies coming soon, so stay tuned. And if you guys are not subscribed, don't forget to press that subscribe button for more videos like this. I don't really know what else I have to say. I'm currently watching Tana Mongeau's My Psychotic Sugar Daddy story, and it's freaking amazing, and I was like, wow, I really have to pause this video to make my own. That sucks. So anyway, let's get on into the room tour. Alrighty, so I'm gonna do a quick little overview for you. So I'm gonna start with my bed because I feel like that's always like the main focal point of a room. So to start out, I have this white duvet cover. I got this from Urban Outfitters. Got it on a great sale, and it has those little black tassels on the bottom. This is my favorite part of my room. It is my throw blanket. I absolutely adore this. I don't know, it was really expensive, but I was like, you know what? I need to have this blanket in my life. So we have that there. As for my pillows, I just have like the matching shams to the duvet. I have this pink fuzzy one from Bed Bath & Beyond, this white fuzzy one from Target, and then this really awesome fringe one from Target as well. Over here I have this kind of cute organizer. I got it from Walmart, as well as the little bins. I have this little coaster from Bed Bath & Beyond. I have my Apple Watch charger. This lamp is from Walmart too. I think I got it for like 10 bucks. So cute, I love this. My JBL, best speaker in the world. This Salt Rock lamp is from Bed Bath & Beyond as well, and this is from TJ Maxx. And then up here I have all of my sunglasses kind of on display. And as for one of my most asked questions on where I got these from, these would be from Urban Outfitters. You can get them for like $10 a piece. I have this little cork board with some pictures. Alright, and for my fireplace, I just put these little succulents from Target on there. I have two on each end, one on each end. Some fairy lights, and then I also got this from Bed Bath & Beyond. I adore this. I think it looks really good above the fireplace. And then moving over here, I have this long lamp from Walmart, or Amazon actually. And then I got this from TJ Maxx. I love this little bin. I keep my camera stuff in there, and then this little backpack. And then over here, this rug is also from TJ Maxx. I think I got it for like 15 bucks. And now onto my closet. This is my closet door. I just have this mirror from Target. And let's go inside. Well, my closet light is broken, but I just have some hats hanging up there, my robe, a belt, and it's like organized, kind of. I have my hamper, I have this little shelf, and then I have all of my bins up there. They're not all full. And then over here I have like jackets and hoodies, dressier ones that I can hang. And then down there I have all my sweaters. And this is all like short sleeve shirts, dresses, and stuff like that. I got rid of like a lot of clothes, and I tried to keep my closet very minimalistic. I have all of my shoes that are somewhat organized. Now over here I have my dresser, which I will put the video right here, and I will link it down below as well. I DIY'd this whole thing. It was really gross and ugly before, and now it's like cute and like shabby chic. On top of my dresser here, I have perfumes and some face skincare stuff. I have, I don't really know where I got this from. Maybe Target, probably, or TJ, and I just have some jewelry on there. And I have this little dish. Don't really know what's in it. Actually, there's some like blinds, memory cards, earrings, a little unorganized. And then I got this mirror from Target. I love this freaking mirror. And moving on to my desk area. I love this desk. It was worth every penny. And I think I only got it for like $140, which really isn't that bad because it's so spacious and you really do have like a lot of storage in it. So ignore my TV. But I have this little sign that says Gold Digger. Gold Digger, not Gold Digger. You know what I mean? I also have this little chalkboard thing that I DIY'd. I just wrote welcome home because I had no idea what else to write. I have a little Gucci box for decoration. I have this that keeps all of like my jewelry, some jewelry actually. I have this little flower thing that's actually meant to be like hung on a wall, but I just sat it down because I thought it looked pretty. I have my name, my makeup. I'm very minimalistic with makeup as well. This little box of junk that I have no idea what to do with. I have this tape dispenser. How cute is this? It's a globe. Look how cute that is. I just have a mirror to do my makeup with. I DIY'd, like I just painted this ombre. I didn't really know what else to do. And then over here, we have a bunch of Teen Vogue magazines. This little bookshelf thing from TJ Maxx and a Bath & Body Works candle. And some random stuff in there. My desk chair is also from Walmart. So is this pillow. I know, guys, you can find real cute things there, I promise. And I just have a little sheepskin rug on the floor because I love those looks. And then over here, I just keep my backpack for school. And this little poof I also got from Walmart for like 20 bucks. And above that, I have this little plant hanger that is from Amazon, and I have this little plant from IKEA in there. And then as for my window treatments, I really kept it pretty simple. I put the blinds in myself. These are from, oh my goodness, Walmart once again. All right, you guys, I think that is it for my room tour. Quick outro right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for that entire house tour, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.